everybody, Merry Christmas Eve to y'all. Today is the 24th of December, so right now my entire family has gone off to work, so I'm home, but I am heading out later on because I've yet to finish my Christmas shopping, so I really need to get it done by today, because today we are exchanging gifts. But I have finished filming my 12/12 fashion haul, so I'm very happy about that. And then I am now going to make a no-bake cheesecake, so let's go bake it. Today we're having our annual Christmas dinner at home, which is why I'm making the cake. By the way guys, I'm wearing my unicorn sleepers that my boyfriend got me for my birthday. Don't ask me why, because I have no idea why he got me that either. Here are all the ingredients that we're gonna need. Vanilla extract. I got this, which is stevia for baking, so it's healthy. Maybe I should listen to some Christmas songs. Yeah. Alright. I forgot to put my cinnamon. Done, and my entire kitchen is in a mess. So I've got my cream cheese mixture here and my whipped cream, so now I need to fold them together before putting it onto my tin.
I really can't stay. Baby, it's cold outside. Cold out. Baby, it's cold. Gosh, it's so delicious. But maybe just a sip or a more. It's cold.
Hello, the cheesecake is done. So right now I'm just going to recurl my hair a little bit before I head out to eat, because I still haven't eaten anything except for tasting the cheesecake just now, which I'm very happy about, because I was actually very worried because I didn't really follow the recipe. I wanted to cut it down, but at the same time I wanted to finish using the whipping cream that I have, so I just used everything. So the rest of the ingredients I just kind of estimated. And then for the sugar, the original recipe was 1.5 cups, so I thought I would just use 1 cup. But then as I was pouring it into the cup, I was like, what the hell, 1 cup is a lot of sugar. So I cut it down to 1/2 cup, and then I tasted it. It's fine, it's just that the sugar is like granulated sugar, so it's not powdered sugar, so you can taste the grains of sugar in it. But I think it's fine because it's a healthier sugar, and who cares if there's texture, right? I mean, it's not completely smooth, but at least it's healthy. So right now I'm just going to curl my hair. I'm using this curling wand, and this is a gift from my dad for my 26th birthday. If you watch my birthday vlog, you'll see it. And I actually chose this gift myself. He didn't know what to get for me, and I was outside with him and I saw this and I was like, can you get me this? And he was like, yeah. So I got a curling wand. I kind of like it because you can create curls really quickly, and it's those like big wavy curls, so it's not really defined, I guess. So sometimes when I want more defined curls, like on Christmas, I use my hair straightener, but today something natural will do, so I'm gonna use this. I actually curled my hair already with this. It's just that I tied it up just now, so I just want to make it a little bit more neat before I head out. So I still need to get presents for my sister. She actually got her present first, but then it was out of stock, so it couldn't arrive on time, and so I cancelled the order and I need to get something else. I'm very excited about the gift exchange later on because I saw a lot of gifts under the tree, and I don't know why there are so many gifts when there's only like 6 of us. I guess I'm still not really used to using this curling wand. The first time I used it, which is yesterday, the first time I used it, I didn't really know how to use it. But right now I think I'm slowly getting the hang of it. See? I think it's nice. And it's so fast because it can curl a lot of hair at once, and I have very thick hair. I was supposed to meet my friend outside later on at 3 o'clock, but I don't think she can make it already. We have a really weird relationship. I haven't seen her in a very long time, and that's because every time we make plans, we just cancel it. And it's not like I don't want to see her, but it's just us being adults, I think. Like, we always have something on, we always have work, and I guess we're always tired to meet friends, so we just end up cancelling on each other. So yeah, I still need to get presents for my sister, my brother-in-law, and I need to help my boyfriend get presents for them as well. Oh, and I also need to get a present for my mom, for my dad, because he is working as well and he doesn't have time to get presents as well. Okay, so hair is done. Is there any difference? I'm also using a new foundation today. I'm using this one from YSL. I usually use the Puli ones, but today I thought of trying something new, so I went with this YSL one, which I believe I've only used a couple of times, like a really long time ago. So today I'm using this. I'm not too sure about it. The color is a little bit darker than what I'll usually use, but you can't really see it on camera. But yeah, this is the foundation I'm using today. So now I need to pack my bags and head out. Wow, I swear it is so hot. I feel like yesterday's vlog is going to be very short, but today's one's gonna be very long because of all my rambling and baking, and later on the Christmas dinner and like the unwrapping of the presents. So I think today's vlog is gonna be a little bit long, but it's fine, right? So yeah, I am surprisingly not very hungry, even though I haven't eaten anything, but I'm gonna go out, grab a coffee, and do my Christmas shopping. I don't really like this bag, to be honest, because there's no compartment inside, so you just throw everything inside. My cheesecake. It feels like a bag
on the wrapping paper.
Yay! Wow, mấy cái khôi. Để tới hit still mà luôn. Wow, auntie open up.
Oh, it's a handshake. Wow.
Oh, you break the heart.
Break my heart.
Funny.
Very cute. Wow, this is nice. Can go play golf. Mình sẽ chơi hả?